So what I'm going to be doing is talking to you about some of the essential guidance on best practice. So we'll look at pre-proceedings, what we should be doing before we even get into court, what then happens once we get the matter into court. So what happens at these various stages, the case management hearing, the issues resolution hearing, what should be happening at these hearings. And we'll also we'll look at some of the aspects surrounding the differences between sections 37, section 47, section 7 of the Children Act. I'll take you through volume 1 of the Children Act guidance and some of the essentials of that. Child protection conferences, legal planning meetings, pre-proceedings meetings, what these are, what the difference is, and then the working together guidelines insofar as that's concerned, and some of the timescales insofar as that's concerned. More and more local authorities are using what's called SWET forms now. That's the social work evidence template. So I'll talk you through that. Use of standard orders, party status, parentage issues, threshold, and then what happens insofar as trying to resolve threshold. And as you can imagine, we won't always finish cases within the 26 weeks. So we need to think about how we may be looking to extend the proceedings if we need to. All right, so we'll have a look at that and see where we are. And many of you will be familiar with that assessment model that's used by local authorities. It's sometimes referred to as the triangular model. And the working together document sets out what makes a good assessment. So pages 25 to 30 of the document is well worth reading because it takes into account what makes a good assessment, and it gives you some very, very useful pointers insofar as what that's concerned. Many of you will be familiar with the triangular model, which effectively looks at 3 domains. First and foremost, the child's developmental needs. So if, for example, say you've got a local authority who are involved, and they are looking at doing a parenting assessment with a view to affecting rehabilitation, or if, for example, there are concerns that are raised and there may be issues over potentially applying for separation, then you're first and foremost looking at the child's developmental needs.